Morning, my name is Father Rayappa. Today I'm going to talk about the waste. Waste. Yeah, we all know waste. There is no waste in the natural world. It's a misunderstanding. Only in human mind, the waste. Our Prime Minister Modi talking about cleaning up India. Yeah, fantastic. Very good idea. We should do that. India is excellent. It's a beautiful country. Only one thing, the waste. Everywhere. Plastic bags, paper, old clothes, spitting everywhere. Very dirty. Holy India became dirty now. Such a beautiful land. How come? We are connected. Our inner world is connected with the outer world. When outer world is dirty, our inner world also dirty. Pollution is not out there. By polluting our natural world, we pollute ourselves. Our soul is polluted. Our consciousness is polluted. Our self is polluted. Yeah. So clean up. Stop throwing waste. Mother Earth gives good stuff. Gives you food, fruits, water, air. When you get sick, it gives you medicine, medicinal plants. Mother gives good stuff. How come we give to mother bad stuff? Plastic, paper, fire, acid, chemicals. Mother is asking Mother Earth, my dear children, I am giving so much of good stuff. Why do you give it, these things to me? Waste? Only you can afford waste. I gave you goodies. We need to learn. There is no waste. In the natural world, you think the leaves, the falling leaves is a waste? No. It becomes a compost, fertilizer to the ground. You think falling trees is a waste? No, it's a fungi. There are so many creatures out there like fungi, the kingdom of fungi. They depend on eating them, recycling them. So in nature we learn so many beautiful words. Reuse, reduce, recycle, even reject, even react. So many things. So today I'm going to talk about reducing the waste and understanding exactly the same way how nature does things. So for that, to understand, and we need some spirituality. We need to ask the Bible what Bible says, what Jesus says. So I think I have taken a good example, the multiplication of loaves, the great miracle. Jesus fed 5,000 men. I mean, we are not counting women and children. 5,000 people with 5 loaves of bread and 2 fish. This is a good example. We read it in Matthew chapter 15 and Mark chapter 8. Beautiful. So in that, Jesus teaches reduce, reuse, recycle, reject, react, recycle. All these magical words. So Jesus first he says, reduce. These people, they have been with me for the past 2-3 days. I'm going to feed them. Where is the food? The disciples say, we'll go and buy it. Even if you buy it, the food may not be sufficient for this big crowd. Jesus says, no, don't buy. No, reduce. That's what Jesus says. Don't shop. First check out the resources, what you have inside your house, inside your refrigerator, inside your cupboards. Abundance of food is there. Check it out before going for shopping. Some people run for shopping every day. Morning shopping, 12 o'clock shopping, 4 o'clock shopping, night shopping, always going for shopping. They never check what is inside. Already there's enough food. Jesus, that's what he says. Check out the local resources. Then they just check it out. They go to disciples and say, wow, there's a kid there having 5 loaves of bread and 2 fish. Excellent. Jesus says, see, you checked out and you bought. So if you bought it, that is a waste. Already enough resources here. Why do you buy it? So reduce. Then he asked the bread, bring the fish. That boy is so generous. Come on, take it. Sharing. And then he says beautiful prayer and he distributes to the people. Everybody uses and everybody eats it. You see, sharing is so beautiful. That's a magical word. We can solve almost all the problems in the 20th century by one magical word, sharing. Jesus teaches share. And then everybody eats. And at last, there is a leftover. There is a waste. Jesus says there is no waste. No. Save them. Reuse them. Recycle them. See? Bible is very clear and Jesus is very clear. Reuse, recycle. Put the leftover in the baskets and save the waste. Save the fish, extra fish, and save the extra bread. And they saved baskets and baskets of bread and fish. Reuse them, recycle them. So what are we waiting for? There is no waste. Only is the human misunderstanding. So many misunderstandings we have about sin, misunderstanding, Satan, misunderstanding, evil, misunderstanding, death. Where is death? St. Paul says, where is death? Where is your sting? Where is your victory? St. Paul is laughing about all these misconceptions in the human mind. It exists only here. Only we preach. Jesus came to conquer the sin and eradicate the evil, subdue the Satan and win over death. That means, where are they? The good news is, sin is vanquished. Satan is conquered. Evil is eradicated. At last, death is conquered. This is, even today, we believe that they exist. Jesus has cleaned all these misconceptions. Then why? Now waste. Waste is also, it is in human mind only, not out there. Everything comes back. Everything, matter, comes to existence and it looks as if it is destroyed. You can never destroy anything in the world, but you can transform. Everything is a transformation. Waste is a mystery. It has got a potential to become something new, maybe a life or a matter, a solid or a liquid or a gas or a plasma or energy. Einstein, the famous equation you know, E is equal to mc squared. E is energy, C equal to M means matter, C means the light, squared, unlimited power of the light. So he told, even a small piece of stone this much, it has got so much of energy. Probably this small amount of a stone can generate energy to power our whole world for 1 year. Can you imagine that? So imagine how much power all the waste can have. Power, potentiality. There is no waste. Absolutely, we need to understand from Jesus. There is no waste. Let us recycle. Jesus says reuse and recycle.